Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope friends all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, in this video, I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful, decent and delicate collection of hand embroidered face masks. Friends, I have been sharing a variety of very beautiful designer style 3D, reusable, washable, lightweight, full face coverage, kids, adults, girls, boys, men, women face masks, anti allergic masks, reversible masks, cotton filter pockets, double-sided masks, and much more variety of different types and categories of face masks. So, my this video is also in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a variety of face mask designs. Friends, all of you could see that these masks are very beautiful and decent and elegant at the same time. Very delicate and decent color combination of embroidery threads have been used to design these masks. These masks are full face coverage masks and you can wear them easily and comfortably throughout your whole day without any rashes, blemishes, or any allergic reactions. Friends, do try these patterns at home if you know how to make embroidery stitches or how to make an embroidery pattern. Now let's talk about the embroidery stitches. So the answer to this question is that these masks are made using Mexican embroidery, Chinese embroidery, latest trendy Maldives hand embroidery, and some ancient cultural basic hand embroidery stitches. And friends, if you don't know how to make hand embroidery stitches or you don't want to make your mask using hand embroidery, then you can use exactly these same patterns for designing your masks with machine embroidery. Machine embroidery could be of various types, that is simple, local, hand embroidered machine, or a digital computerized machine, or any other hand embroidery or machine embroidery patterns or techniques you can adopt as well. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like these designs, kindly try these patterns and take care of yourselves, especially from this very pandemic and dangerous situation, coronavirus, which has been termed as COVID-19, and it has affected a very large amount of people throughout the world. So stay blessed, take care, stay safe, stay home, remain positive, and spread positivity with your friends and family and across your whole social circle. We will soon be back with you. Up till then, thank you, take care, goodbye.